Have you ever wondered how long a female orgasm actually lasts? Most people assume it's just a few seconds, but science paints a much different picture. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of orgasm duration. How researchers study it, what the numbers really say, and what factors influence the experience. So, how do scientists even measure something as private as an orgasm? In research labs, they track things like pelvic floor muscle contractions, heart rate, and blood pressure. During orgasm, rhythmic pelvic contractions occur roughly every 0.8 seconds. Heart rate can skyrocket to 110-180 beats per minute, and blood pressure rises noticeably. Physical signs like dilated pupils, flushed skin, and muscle tension often show up too. Using these measurements, researchers can pinpoint exactly when an orgasm starts and when it ends. Here's the surprising part. Women consistently underestimate how long their orgasms actually last. In one classic study from 1985, 28 women were asked to stimulate themselves to orgasm while researchers measured changes in vaginal blood flow with a tiny sensor. On average, orgasms lasted about 20 seconds, ranging anywhere from 10 seconds to a full minute. But when asked to estimate, women guessed much shorter, around 12 seconds. Nearly 9 out of 10 participants underestimated, even when asked just minutes later. Other research backs this up. On average, female orgasms last between 20 and 30 seconds, though shorter orgasms of 3-15 seconds are common, and longer ones, up to 2 minutes, also happen. In fact, up to half of women report orgasms lasting 30-60 seconds or more. The takeaway: orgasms are often longer than women perceive them to be. Interestingly, orgasm length can vary with age. Women between 31 and 40 have been found to experience some of the longest orgasms, averaging around 30 seconds. That may be because women in their 30s often feel more comfortable with their bodies, have more sexual experience, and can be more present during intimacy. But here's the key: longer doesn't necessarily mean better. A short, intense orgasm can feel just as satisfying as a long one. What really matters is quality and fulfillment. So, what influences orgasm duration, arousal level? The higher the arousal, the more intense and potentially longer the orgasm. Foreplay and gradual buildup matter. Type of stimulation: clitoral, vaginal, or combined stimulation can produce very different orgasmic experiences. Combining both often leads to stronger responses. Hormones: many women report more powerful orgasms during ovulation, when estrogen is highest. Psychological factors: stress, distraction, or anxiety can shorten or weaken orgasm. Presence and connection enhance it. Pelvic floor strength: stronger pelvic floor muscles contract more powerfully, intensifying orgasm. Weak muscles may result in less intensity. Medications: certain drugs like SSRIs can blunt or delay orgasm. Age and nerve health: with aging, nerve sensitivity naturally decreases, which can influence orgasm intensity and duration. The bottom line: the average female orgasm lasts around 20-30 seconds, much longer than most people think. And while there's huge variability, the true measure of satisfaction isn't how long it lasts, but how fulfilling and enjoyable the experience is. So next time you think your orgasm was just a blink, remember, it probably lasted a lot longer than you realized.